Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both devices must be signed into iCloud and have Find My and location services on. Once done, open the Find My app, tap People. If you already share location, tap the contact and choose to follow. Otherwise, select Share My Location and pick the contact. Make sure the person accepts. Without their consent, you cannot legally track them. This first action establishes the secure, Apple-managed live location channel you'll use next. Once the contact accepts, you'll immediately see their live position in the People tab. The map refreshes dynamically as they move. Use directions to navigate to them, play sound to help locate a device nearby, or mark location to annotate a spot. Make sure notifications are set. Tap Notify and choose Arrived/Left to get automatic alerts. If they use family sharing, location sharing is persistent. Otherwise, confirm their device stays connected to cellular or Wi-Fi so updates remain live. To complete, monitor the live map until you've reached your goal, then stop sharing if needed by tapping the contact and selecting Stop Sharing. If the location is missing or stale, first check the other iPhone's battery, airplane mode, and network. Live updates need a working connection. Also verify settings. iCloud signed in, Find My and Share My location active, and location services allowed for Find My. If problems persist, restart the device and confirm. Both phones run a...
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.